My name is Wright. I'm the Artistic Director at Cultvr. We are Europe's first immersive art centre, so we have a strong focus on full dome arts, digital arts, live performance, which is digitally augmented. We're located just a mile outside of the city centre.
We opened Cultvr Lab in 2019 and we were the first immersive venue promoting live EXA performances.
Kind of leading the way when it comes to exploring the boundaries of what the future of live performance can be. And we're doing that from a very kind of grassroots music perspective. In terms of the communities and the audiences we attract, it's pretty broad, it's pretty open. I think because the venue has been conceived from the ground up to be as flexible as possible, there aren't really many boundaries, so we're pretty open to experimenting with different types of events and performances and kind of trying to push the boundaries of what's possible in terms of a live performance.
Since we opened our doors, we've been supporting lots of local musicians and also national artists and international artists. We have a special focus in Welsh language music, and some of the artists coming up are, for example, the Gentle Goods, HMS Morris and Lily Boo.
Cardiff is such a driven city, and we've certainly felt the support from organisations like the Welsh Government, Cardiff City Council, the Arts Council. It's just a good community. I think human connection in live performance is critical. There needs to be more opportunities for audiences to come together and connect and kind of fix a lot of the things that seem to be going wrong. And I think at this kind of day and age, it's really important to have open-minded, driven, artist-led organisations that are kind of trying to help society see a way through.